Give me the wallet.
Of course you realize this means war.
Fuck you, Pisky!
Here we go. Focus, focus, focus. Speed. I am speed.
I am speed. I
am focus.
5-hour energy is focus.
Speed. Weed. I smoke weed for breakfast.
Hey, London! You ready?
Would you shut up? I'm trying to masturbate up here!
First blood! Double kill! Triple kill!
Holy shit.
Whoa, whoa, guys, whoa, 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 whoa!
The possibility of successfully navigating an asteroid field is approximately 3,720 to 1.
Never tell me the odds.
Weed every day. Shaq, would you be willing to suck your mom?
Where's your wife?
One, boost ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery.
You need tires now! No tires! You need tires!
No tires! No tires!
You need tires!
Freaking idiot.
Checkered flag, here I go! What the hell? No!
Horse's ass.
Delicious! Because I'm a one-man show.
That was a very common Lightning McQueer.
Hey, get out of the shot!
Yo, Chuck, yo, what are you doing? You're blocking the, yo. Back away. What? We quit, Mr. Shake. How will I ever find anyone else who knows how to fill my ass with gas? Adios, Chuck. Yo, McQueer.
You're stupid. Excuse me? Stupid. How do you think I'd look in Dynaco blue?
To be the man, you gotta beat the man!
That is spectacular advice, Mr. the King. Yes! No. Yes, no. Yeah! Lightning McQueer here. Billy Mays here. And I use
Admiral Akbar cereal.
Rusty's medicated gas ointment. Nothing soothes a rusty ass like Rusty's. Wow! Look at that shit. And you too. No tires, just now. You too can look like me. Ka-chow. Lightning McQueen.
Strobe light.
Fuck you. I hate rusty cars.
Hey guys, I'm coming in. Oh God. Oh boy, I am not gonna hear the end of this.
You jackass! Now you've done it, idiots!
That looks like a dildo.
Yo, DJ! We got ourselves a knicker.
Gay niggas.
You're not Mac.
I'm not!
Mac?
Not in my town, you go.
You're shooting at me!
I'm pissed.
The 3 victims were part of a CXS.
Fuck her right in the pussy!
I'm standing here with Fred.
I want him out of our town. I'm hereby sentencing you to slavery.
I'll clean it for you.
That won't be necessary.
Hey, agree! What are you gonna do, suck me to death?
Holy shit!
It looks awful.
Now it matches the rest of the town.
If you're going left enough hard, you'll find right. Left.
Turn right to go right. No. Up you. Opposite world. What an idiot. Turn right to go right left. Yes. No.
I'm dying in this fucking country-ass, fucked-up town.
Luigi's leaning a tower of tires.
There's one they fear, not me, McQueer. Fire and bone. Who touched Sasha?
3 piston cups.
It's a conspiracy, man!
Piston cup.
He did what in his cup?
Piston. 100% chance of. Forecast. 100% chance of. Yes. Yes.
He did what in his cup?
Choose one!
This whole class is gonna feel my tires.